My cleaning day goes a little something like this. I will sleep in a little later, usually until 6:30 a.m. I will make some tea for myself and plan what I'm going to tackle for that day. Today I'm sharing 5 cleaning hacks that will not only get your home clean, but it will help to keep those bad odors out of your home. If you're not on my Instagram, I would love to have you. Just sign up with your email address and click on this blue follow button. It's that simple. You will not only get to see what I'm up to on the daily, but you will get to see short stories right here in my highlights. And those of you who follow me may have seen a segment where I love to share what's for dinner. And on this day, I made ground turkey sausage with beef and pink beans over a bed of yellow rice. I will leave my Instagram link down below. How often do you clean your dishwasher? Here's my truth. I do not clean mine nearly as often as I should, but if you have a similar stainless steel dishwasher, start by cleaning your dishwasher filter by removing the filter from the bottom of your dishwasher. Mine is just a twist to unlock, and I was able to lift mine out. Read your manual because your dishwasher may be different. As you can see, food particles can get caught, and if it hasn't been cleaned in a while, gook and slime can build up, so simply rinse the filter with hot water. Use your finger to get off any gunk. Remove your dishwasher drain. Yours may have a latch to release. Look under it, you may see more gunk. Mine doesn't look that bad because I clean mine once a week. Again, rinse with hot water or dish soap. Check the jets to make sure there's no clogs. If there is, use a toothpick to pick out any food. And if you're not running your dishwasher in a few days, drain that sitting water because it can cause odor in your dishwasher. Clean off any food particles inside and or around the seal. We all love it when our home smells great, and if you love to use Febreze to freshen up your home, you may consider making your very own DIY Febreze spray by just using 2 ingredients. Use the brand scent booster you prefer. I like to customize mine by using 2 different scents. Adjust the amount you use to make it strong or less strong. Grab an empty spray bottle. Rubbing alcohol is optional, but it preserves the smell longer. And a funnel. I cut mine bigger so the beads can pass through easily. Once again, I shared this on my Instagram, and many of you tried it and you loved it. And then I shook it up, but hot water kind of dilutes the beads a little better. And just shake it up. Especially when company's about to come, I just run around the house like crazy and I start spraying. And it's not an overwhelming scent. It smells wonderful. You can put it on your carpet everywhere. I use my drapes too. I'll come over here and I'll just spray it really quickly. It doesn't leave a stain or anything, you guys. It's wonderful. It happens to the best of us. You get home from work and your trash can smells like trash. I've tried dryer sheets, newspapers at the bottom of the can, even scented trash bags. But by simply using a cotton round and essential oil and a paper towel, it can help you breathe freely. I like to use about 20 drops of essential oil on a cotton round and place it on top of the paper towel to help absorb any odor. Then I will put a few drops inside a clean bag as well. Every now and then I will come across a tip or a trick and say to myself, I don't know if that will work, but then I'll try it anyway. This was the case when it came to cleaning our garden tub. It is so massive, you guys. Grab your Dawn dish liquid and a new broom. Do not use your dirty one. The dollar store or Walmart has plenty of cheap ones. And squirt your dish soap and wet your broom just a little and scrub. The bristles and the grease cutting action of Dawn will cut through the layers of soap scum and residue that often build up, and I am wishing I would have learned this sooner. Drain odor. If you have this problem, your drain pipe water trap may have gone dry. You can probably solve this issue by using one ingredient you may already have in your pantry, white vinegar. If you don't like the smell of vinegar, add 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, and pour it down the drain once a week. If that doesn't work, remove the U-shaped bend pipe that's under the sink or wherever the smell is coming from. You may see slime, hair, and buildup that causes odor. I hope these 5 tips and tricks will help you get your home clean and help keep those bad odors out of your home. Leave me a comment of what odor problems that you are having that you can't get rid of. I would love to know, and I want to thank you all for watching.